How to find dungeon in Minecraft. So first just go to any part of your world. So it can literally be anything. So I'm just gonna stay here. And now just open up your coordinates. So make sure that you take note of your coordinates when you're on your desired place. So I'm just gonna take note of mine. Once that's done, just simply exit out of your world first. So save and quit the title. Then click on single player. Then click on your world that you used earlier. Then click on recreate. Now once you're on recreate, just go to your world right here, then simply copy the seed. And to do that, you simply need to click on the bar right here, then click on Control A, then just simply click on Control C. Once that's done, just open up your browser. Now once you're on your browser, just go to chunkbase.com, and once you're there, just simply click on apps. And just scroll down a little, then click on dungeon. Once you're here on the dungeon, you will need to enter the seed of your world. So I'm just going to put mine right here. And now as you can see, it will instantly show all the dungeons. So of course, select the version that you are in. So I'm currently in Java 1.21, so I'm just going to pick this one. Now you will see these boxes right here, which will basically show you the what type of dungeon it is, what spawner it has. So as you can see, this green one is zombie. So as you can see in the bottom right, when you hover to the boxes, it will show the coordinates, which is zombie at 16, -25, -58. So let's try going there. But first input the coordinates that we had earlier. So I'm just going to put mine. So as you can see, if you put your coordinates right here, it will basically show you the closest to you. But it could also do what we did earlier, which just simply find any dungeon in your world. But of course, the closest to you, the better, or the closest to you rather. So just simply go it. So let's say I want to go to the skeleton dungeon right here. So just simply take note of that. And just open up Minecraft and go to that particular coordinate. So I've input the coordinates right here. So I'm just gonna basically TP to show you guys how it really works. But for you guys that are just wanting to know the location, you could just simply go through the coordinates given. But for me, I'm just gonna use the TP right here. And now as you can see, we are now currently on a dungeon. And that's how I basically find dungeon in Minecraft.